Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with an entry and I have to apologize to Jeannie. I was in the middle of the video and I got interrupted. And I thought I paused it and here I turned it off. So I'm starting all over. She had this packaged up, guys, so cute. Look at this heart. Isn't that cute? So let's start with her entry. I got her name wrote down during the video. But here we go. She's got polka dot paper, this cute little border of gold, this pretty flower. Got a tab. Then she's got another border. I'll take that out so you guys see it. And then on this side, it's glitter paper, punched out flowers. It's another flower. And this is cute, guys. I'm going to read this. Oh, and then this is her little information card, a little Brad heart. Okay, ready? Boop. Klutzy today, I tell you. Her name is JeanneMarie Williams. She's in Spring Hills, Florida. Her birthday is 02/15, and where the year would be, what I didn't expect anybody to put, she has old. And her YouTube name is ArtisticPoursAndMore with JeanneMarie. Her favorite style, favorite color is pink, purple, and fall colors. Favorite animal, she loves all animals, loves nature, butterflies, birds, sea life. I love God and family, friends, enjoy creating, crafting, and painting in resin. So cool. And then she also included this. This is so cute too. She has little, I don't remember what that glue was called. That stickles, I believe, in the corners. And she has this pretty flower. Green. I thought this was lace until I felt it. It's actually paper. Ain't that look cool? And when you turn it over, it says, a sweet friendship refreshes the soul. Proverbs 27:9. Isn't that cute? So we're going to put this back. Oh, wrong side. So I believe this is the front. And that's the back. But I'm going to also put that in there too. Thank you, Jeannie. So, and let's get the tickets. Because I already had her name down. Son-in-law showed up. I forgot he was coming. And we're going to put her name in here. I'm going to put Artistic Pours and More with JeanneMarie in the description box, guys. So go over and check her channel out, and guys, get to know her. Alright. So, the scissors here. And I'm going to cut that. Get the bear. We'll get some in there. 17 little tickets in there. Put it like that. So there's her name. You see it? Hold it. And then we're going to go like this. Boom! Close it up. I will have Artistic Pours and More with JeanneMarie's channel linked in the description box below. So please go over and check out her channel. And as always, the giveaway is still open till the 31st of May. So there are still time to join if you would like to. And put it in there. It's my temporary box for them. So there is still time to join the 2K challenge giveaway if you would like to. I will link the video as well as Artistic Pours and More with JeanneMarie's channel. So please go over and give her a shout out. And as always, guys, I want to thank each and every one of you that watch my videos, subscribe to me, and have been joining the 2K challenge giveaway. So, as always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now, everybody, and have a good Monday. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Talk to y'all later.